What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your lock screen on Windows 11 to your own custom photo. So how do you do that, guys? You want to simply right click on the Windows icon on your Windows 11 taskbar and simply click on settings. Now once you're inside the settings area on your computer, all you have to do is click on personalize on the left hand side, and from here scroll down to where you find lock screen. Click on that, and from here you will see that you can switch this from either slideshow to pictures. You may see spotlight, Windows spotlight set for yours, but in any case you want to switch this to photo. Now once you switch this to photo, you will see some of the pictures that comes with Windows, and as you can see here I have a photo set, and all I did was simple click and browse photos, find the photo on my computer that I want to use. Take for example this one that I have here, and let's say I'm going to choose this one. I can go ahead and I can click change photo, and as you can see here it changes here on my PC, and that's how easy it is. So now I change the lock screen photo, so the next time I lock the screen on my PC I will see this photo appear, and that's how easy it is, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how to change your lock screen photo to your own custom photo on Windows 11 PC.